Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Listen, tonight in my kitchen, I've got country style steak, but I did it in the crock pot. We got this beef from a friend of ours who raises his cattle and sells it, processes his beef, bfrbeef.com. You can access it that way. Anyway, instead of breading this and frying it when I got home today, I had already put it in the crock pot this morning. I layered 12 pieces of cube steak with 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and 1 can of water. I put a little bit of pepper over top of the meat, closed the crock pot. I'm sure you could do it in an Instant Pot too, but I haven't invested in one of those. I'm still a crock pot girl. I put it on low for 8 hours and it is just falling apart. I'm actually making up leftovers for my boys, but this is what it looks like. Delicious. So there you have it. If you're a busy mom and want something like that in your crock pot at night when you come home, this is a great recipe to remember. Country style steak in the crock pot. Make it a great one.